How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF in mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save your Snapchat conversation in your mobile device. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your web browser, or either you can go to your ChatGPT application in your mobile device. So I have this conversation loaded. So just go to the share icon at the top right, and when you click on it, just go down until you see print, tap on it, and you'll see this PDF option. So in this features, you're just gonna need to click on the paper size. Select your paper size. It could be A3, A4, or whatever. After that, the layout should be normal, one paper for one sheet. After that, just click on the share icon again, and then you'll see a save to file button. Go ahead and press it, and the file will be saved. That's how you basically save a chat GPT conversation as PDF in your mobile. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching it till the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.